Hi guys! Today is National Potato Day and I thought this is a perfect occasion to share with you my jacket potato recipe, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 delicious toppings. One is with tuna, the other one is a vegan option with mushrooms, and the third option is with bacon. All of these 3 toppings are super delicious. Let's get started with the recipe. There's one thing that I left out that you can definitely do with jacket potatoes is when you get them out of the oven, so when they are still really hot, you can also add a small piece of butter before you add the topping. So I want to open the jacket potato like I showed you in the video, mash the inside a little bit and then add that butter, allow it to melt a little, and only then add your topping. Always when there's 3 options, I like to tell you my favorite, and in this case my favorite is the one with the tuna. It's just because I love this kind of potato with a tuna topping, but the other 2 are also super delicious and it was a really close one. Why I like the tuna the best is because with the tuna topping you can serve the jacket potato either fresh out of the oven when it's really hot, so adding the topping on top at that point, or also if you're just prepping a lot of the jacket potatoes beforehand, so I want to serve some on the next day, then you can also serve them cold with the tuna topping. And I really like tuna and this kind of really fresh salads or toppings during the summer, so for me it was just perfect. It just hit all those points. Also, because it's 3 options, I would like to hear which one you would like to try first. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this jacket potato recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my coming videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.